In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deactivate your Robinhood account using their website. Whether you're looking to move your investments elsewhere, simplify your finances, or just want a break, deactivating your Robinhood account is a straightforward process if you know where to look. So, let's walk through every step together. First, you'll need to log into your Robinhood account on their official website. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, you should be taken directly to your account dashboard, where you can see all of your financial information. Take a moment to ensure your account is in good standing before proceeding further. Next, you'll want to focus your attention on the top right corner of the web page. Here you'll see the account icon. It's usually represented by your profile picture or a generic silhouette if you haven't set one. Click on this icon to open up a drop-down menu. This menu is the gateway to your account settings and other important options. From the drop-down menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled Settings. Go ahead and select Settings to access the main configuration page for your account. On this page, you'll find various sections that allow you to control different aspects of your Robinhood profile. In the Settings menu, look specifically for the section called Account Details. This area contains sensitive information and any actions you can take regarding your account status. Click on Account Details to proceed. Once you're in Account Details, you'll notice several options related to your account's management. Among these, you should find an option labeled Deactivate Your Account. Click on this link to start the deactivation process. Please note that some prerequisites might apply, such as having a zero balance or transferring any assets, so make sure you've taken care of any open transactions or holdings before you try to deactivate. After selecting Deactivate Your Account, you'll be guided through a series of prompts. Robinhood will typically ask for confirmation to ensure you really want to close your account and may also request that you provide a reason for your decision. Make sure to fill in any required information and review your choices. Follow the on-screen instructions until the process is complete. And that's it. Your request to deactivate your account will be submitted. Remember, this process will only deactivate your Robinhood account, not any underlying assets you may hold. Double check that you've received confirmation and consider downloading any statements you may need for your records. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and instructions on managing your financial accounts online.